Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be pranking Buddy. I am going to act like I'm not feeling well, like my stomach hurts. I'm going to start coughing, and then I'm going to start coughing up some blood and see what happens. I'm going to hide the camera somewhere in the kitchen, probably amongst this mess over here, and then when he gets home, let the show begin. I'm so excited. I really do think he's going to fall for this because since I woke up, actually since last night, I kept saying I'm not feeling very well, like my stomach hurts. So this is like perfect timing. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna put you somewhere in here. And let's see. Maybe. Breaking things on out. Oh my god, Buddy!
Calm down.
What the?
Wait, just relax. Okay? Try to relax, okay? Let me see.
Oh my god!
Let me see your nose. Okay, try to relax, okay? I understand.
Oh my god, Buddy! What the hell? Oh my god, should we go to the doctor?
Yes.
Buddy, what are you doing?
I'm bringing it.
What?
I'm bringing it.
Why are you bringing it?
Nice. Let me see, babe. Okay.
I feel like I'm not gonna up.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to the doctor. Let's go. Bring your wallet so you have your insurance info.
I got you! I got it! Were you worried?
That was real, of course.
Babe! Oh my god!
You got me. I was worried about you.
I got him, guys.
You definitely got me. I'm just glad you're okay.
That would be really scary if I
was worried. I was like,
puke
geez.
blood. You got the
Let me see. Look, I'm like, I'm gonna show the doctor and tell that doctor, no, I'm not waiting. Get her in now.
Oh, that was good. All right.
I swear he got me.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Love you guys.
You wanna bleed?